For this activity, you're going to put your name at the top, and then you're going to look at the illustrations. Remember, illustration means picture. Decide if the pictures are 1, 2, or 3 stars, and glue them in the right spot. So you're going to look at these 3 pictures. Based on what you learned about how to draw a really good picture. Do you think this picture here should go in the 1 star, the 2 star, or the 3 star? And then this one, and this one. So this is the not as nice drawing, all the way up to this is the best one. And then you're going to use that picture. Which picture gives the most details? That would be whatever picture you put in the 3 stars here. And then you're going to use this picture, whatever one you put here, and you're going to write a sentence on the line. It'll be a lot easier to write a sentence about this picture than it would be to write a sentence about this picture. Make sure you use your lines. Write your letters really good. Good luck.